Namaste children, welcome back to social studies class. Children, in our previous class we have studied about means of transport. What are all the types of vehicles we use in our daily life? We discussed about them, and you know that we are all using bike, car, bus, aeroplane, helicopter, ship, these kind of vehicles in our modern life. But earlier, it means hundreds of years if you go back, there were no vehicles. How those people were moving from one place to another place? How they were going to their relatives' house? Or how they were going to their relatives' village? Vehicles were not there, no? Yes. They were going using their vehicles called bullock cart or horse cart, or they were using animals to move from one place to another place. Like horse, they were sitting on the horse back and they were riding, and they were sitting on elephant's back and they were moving from one place to another place. Like these ways they were using to move from one place to another place during ancient time. But now we have modern vehicles like ship, bus, car, aeroplane and all. So these kind of vehicles nowadays we have. So about these things we discussed in our previous class, and in our today's class let us discuss about that exercise part of the 9th lesson, means of transport. Please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, look at it. First one, A main, tick the right answer. Aeroplane is a means of dash, whether it is land transport or air transport or water transport. Aeroplane, so it is a kind of air transport. Air transport, correct now? Aeroplane, yes, tick this second option. Second one, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel, zebra or elephant? Which animal we call it as ship of the desert? So that is camel, first option. Camel is known as the ship of the desert. Then second, aeroplanes land and take off at, where they are going to land and where they are going to take off. So they are going to land and take off at airports or railway stations or seaports. Yes, in seaports, boats will be staying or standing. In railway station, trains will be standing, or they are going to stand there, stop there, and passengers will be entering the train in the railway station. From there, it will start its journey again. So, aeroplanes, they land and take off at airports. They land and take off at airports. First option is correct. Fourth one, ropeways, trolleys. I told you, no, trolleys. So where we use them? Can you? Yes. Whether in the mountains or in the plains or in the deserts. Yes, it is in the mountains. Okay, mountain areas we use ropeways. Okay, correct option is first one, mountains. There we use ropeways. Second, fill in the blanks. The train is a means of dash transport. What kind of transport it is? Where it will be moving? Whether on a water or in the sky or where? Yes, it is a means of land transport. First option is land transport. L-A-N-D, land. Okay, land transport. Train is a means of land transport. Second one, dash is a means of water transport. Which is the vehicle? It will move on water. So you need to mention here a means of water transport. So that is boat or ship. Anyone you can write, boat or ship. S-H-I-P, ship, or B-O-A-T, boat. Anyone can be mentioned in this second blank. Then third one, bullock carts, ettin gadi we call them, no? Bullock carts are used as a means of transport in Where? In which part we use them? Whether in cities or in the villages? Yes, we use them in the cities. Correct? Huh? No, it is wrong. So we use bullock carts in the villages. 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 Correct option is Villages. Villages. Bullock carts are used as a means of transport in villages. Fourth one, dash is a means of air transport. Which is the vehicle will be used as air transport, means of air transport? Aeroplane or helicopter or rocket or something, no? So any one can be mentioned here. Okay, aeroplane, aeroplane. Aeroplane is a means of air transport. Aeroplane can be filled here. That word can be filled here. These are fill in the blanks. Now, seamen, write true or false against each statement. Okay, we need to read those sentences. Whether they are right or wrong, we need to think. If they are right, we need to put their right mark, or true, we need to put. If they are false, we need to mention their false. First one, man needs various means of transport to travel from one place to another. It means human beings, we use different vehicles, different means of transport to travel from one place to another place. Correct. Yes, we use different ways. No, means of land transport we use, means of air transport we use, means of water transport we use. Like this, we use different means of transport to travel from one place to another. First one is true. Second one, buses are a means of air transport. Buses are flying in the air. Yes, is it? No. Buses, they move on road. Buses, they move on road, not in the air. That is why they are not the examples of air transport, means of air transport. That is why second one is false. Second one is false. First one true, second one false. Third one, boat is a means of water transport. Boat, it will be moving on water or not? Yes, it is true. Boat is a means of water transport. Correct. Last one, camels are used as a means of transport in hilly areas. Where we use camels as means of transport? Yes, we use camels as means of transport in deserts, not in hilly areas. Which is the animal will be used as means of transport in hilly areas? That is horse, but they given here camel. That is why fourth one is false. Fourth one is false. First one true, second one false, third one true, fourth one false. Next, D main, match the following. This side they given names of means of transport and where we use them. They are given in the next part. We need to match them. Cars, where we use them? On land or in the air or on water? Yes, it is. Cars will be used on land. Option C is the correct answer. Okay, cars we use them on land. Option C, first one. Second, ships, where we use them? We use them in the water. Option D. Second one is option D. Third one, camel. Now only I told, no? Yes, camels will be used in the desert areas. Option A. Third one is option A. Last one, helicopter, air. Option B. Helicopter A. Option B. Yes, I will repeat them once again. See, first one cars. Option C, land. Second one ships. Option D, water. Third one camel. Option A, desert. Fourth one helicopter, option B air. Okay, so you can match them. Next one, option E, answer these questions. Answer these questions. Look at this. First question, name 5 means of land transport. Okay, it means which are the vehicles we use on land. Those names of those vehicles can be mentioned. Five vehicles names can be mentioned for this question. Yes. Look at this answer. The 5 means of land transport are car, bike, bus, truck, train. Okay. Then second one, name 2 means of air transport. It means which are the vehicles we use as means of air transport. One is the 2 means of air transport are aeroplane and helicopter and rocket and all we can mention here, but they asked only 2, we can mention only 2 here. One is aeroplane, second one is helicopter. Third one, where are camels used as means of transport? It means in which part or in what kind of reason people use camel as means of transport? This is the question they asked here. The camels are used as a means of transport in deserts. In desert areas they use as means of transport. Where they use? In the deserts. Last one. Fourth one, how do we choose our means of transport? It means people how they are going to choose or select the means of transport. So they will consider some things. What they consider? They are here. We choose our means of transport by seeing the cost and distance of our destination. First we will see the rate, charge. Directly we will not. For example, to go to nearby places we cannot choose aeroplane or helicopter. For that we need lots of money to pay. So that is why we will not choose vehicles like helicopter and aeroplane to reach our nearby places. We use that time we are going to use bike or car or bus or something. But to reach further places, far off places, we need train or aeroplane or helicopter. To go to those islands which are there, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are there in the Bay of Bengal. To reach them, which is the vehicle we can use? Ship or boat can be used, or helicopter and aeroplanes can be used here. So that is why. So destination, to where we need, destination is nothing but to where we need to reach. Okay, for example, I want to go to Vasapete. Vasapete is my destination now. ನಾವು ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಳ, ನಾವು ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳವನ್ನು ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೇಟ್, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ traveling. For travel how much we need to pay, that is considered as cost. So considering these two, we are going to choose the means of transport. Okay, next one, last one, state any two importance of transport. What are the uses we are getting from transport system? Means bus, car, helicopter, aeroplane, these are all the things we use, no? What are the uses of these? Yes, answer is the two importance of transport are: transport helps us to carry our goods from one place to another place. It is the first importance of the transport. Then second one, they help us to reach our destinations very quick. Okay, very quickly we can reach our destination. So for that also means of transport, they help us. So this is the answer for your fifth question. After this, at the last page of your textbook they given here activity. So, to reach these places, which is the means of transport you are going to choose, they are told. You need to write them here. For example, one girl is here in this, especially Meera. She is living in Mumbai. She lives in Mumbai. She loves traveling. Always she wants to travel from one place to another place. She loves going for holidays to relatives and friends. It means in the holidays she wants to go to their relatives' house or her friend's house, which is there in the which is there in another city or another village. Here last year she traveled a lot. It means previous year she traveled a lot. That now you need to guess the transport she used to travel for going to these places. To reach these following places, which is the vehicle or means of transport she used to travel, that you have to mention here. They said 1. She went to Singapore in January month. January, Singapore is it nearby place? No, it is further place. It is too long from our India, too distant from our India. That is why you need to mention here aeroplane. Second one, she traveled across the Arabian Sea by, so you know that sea water. In that way, if you want to travel, what you have to use? Ship or boat. Ship can be used here. Second one. First one aeroplane, second one ship. Third one, in her summer holidays, she visited her uncle in Delhi. So she is in Mumbai. Now she went to Delhi. To go to Delhi from Mumbai, which vehicles she can use? Which means of transport she can use? Yes, car or train. Okay, car or train can be used here. Bus also possible. Okay, then anyone you can write there. D. For a weekend, she went to her friend's place in Mumbai. Means in the Mumbai city only, she went to her friend's place. Bicycle or bike or car, so or city bus, she can use them to go to her friend's place. Then last one, in her winter vacation, she visited her grandparents in a village. It means she went to village of her grandparents. And here she used a transport which could move on a kacha road. Pakka road means dambering, which is done, that is called pakka road. Kacha road means only it will be gravel. It means mud and clay ಅಥವಾ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ರೋಡ್. ಡಾಂಬರನ್ನು ಹಾಕದೇ ಇರೋದು ಕಚ್ಚಾ ರೋಡ್. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಕಚ್ಚಾ ರೋಡ್. ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಅದು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ರೋಡ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಕಚ್ಚಾ ರೋಡ್, which vehicle can move? Bike or bullock cart. Those kind of vehicles can be moved on these kacha roads. So you can write here bicycle or bike or bullock cart. So with this, now we have completed your 9th lesson. So in my next class I am going to start your 10th lesson. So I am going to share these all the answers to your WhatsApp group. You can see and update these all the answers in your textbook and CW. Take care children, have a nice day.